Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here to share with you today this advent calendar by Grabie. This is the company that I also do the reviews of the scrapbooking kits, monthly kits that they have out for one-time purchase or for subscription. This is an advent calendar. I know I'm a couple days late posting this, but this would still make an awesome gift for someone who loves crafting. It comes in this awesome box that opens up and can stand up on a counter. Look at all these fun, colorful boxes marked 1 through 24, I believe, or 25. There might be a 25. And these boxes could be reused year after year. Now, for this one, they do tell you on the back the crafty thing that is inside the box. And I'm going to show you a picture here in a minute of most of the supplies, but let's open a couple. These are some really nice oil pastels, come in a little case there. And then, like I said, it tells you on the back of the box what is in each box. Let's see, we're going to open up one here. It has an two acrylic markers, acrylic paint markers in there. And there's all sorts of fun things in here. So I encourage you to check out the link in the description if you want a fun, useful, not candy advent calendar for the holiday season. You could even get this and save it for next year. But look at that cute little sketchbook. So cute. My 24-year-old daughter saw this and said, Mom, can I have that? So this is her advent calendar for this year, and she's super excited about it. All right, well, thanks for watching this, guys. Like I said, here's a picture that shows a bunch of the different things that are in. There's washi tape, ornaments that you can paint, the sketchbook, all sorts of fun things. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.